My dear friends, it is indeed a privilege and pleasure for me to introduce a gem of a person, Rotarian Pradeep Wagh. Rotarian Pradeep is a stalwart in our district in the avenue of peace building and is always ready to help. He is a member of the Rotary Club of Pune Shivaji Nagar since 1989 and has been the president of this club during the Rotary year 2016-17. He had successfully organized the International Understanding and Peace Symposium in 2017, which was addressed by 32 international experts and attended by over 700 delegates. During his tenure as club president, he also completed a global grant project of Rotary Distant Education Program for rural schools worth over $40,000. He has also conducted training programs for over 200 teachers in modern pedagogy and enterprise education. He has been instrumental in instituting a fund for annual Rotary Peace Awards since 2016-17. Rotarian Pradeep has been the Director of International Service and Peace in 2019 and has successfully held the Peace and Conflict Resolution Workshop. He was the mentor for the International Service and Peace Avenue for the year 2021. This year, he is the Counselor for Peace Building and Conflict Prevention Avenue for District 3131 and is a great source of inspiration to all of us. I present before you Rotarian Pradeep Wagh.
Pradeep sir, you have to unmute yourself.
Sorry. Thank you very much for the nice introduction. Good evening from India, good morning, good afternoon to all the people around the globe. Welcome to this presentation. On behalf of RRE 3131, I once again welcome you. Let me begin with a small simile. It is that of a spider weaving his web. You may be aware that the spider weaves his web using the spider silk which is within itself. At no point of time does the spider doubt that the spider silk will fall short to build the beautiful embroidery style spider web. It has full faith in that inner provision. Similarly, our own soul has got some inner strengths. There are many of them, but two of them are prominent for our Rotarians, and those are love and peace. In fact, our RI President Shekhar Mehta has once said profoundly that humanity cannot survive without love and peace. In RID 3131, we have kindled this lamp of peace in our hearts and taken care of it very carefully. So in 2016-17, we held the International Understanding and Peace Symposium, as was just mentioned. A great takeaway from it was that there are various facets of peace. One is the UN peacekeeping forces. Then we have environment and peace. Then we have got positive peace. And an important element is track 1 and track 2 diplomacy of peace. This information was given to us by the Ambassador of India, who said that track 1 is the government-to-government diplomacy that is done for peace. But track 2, which is the foundation for track 1, is the diplomacy which has to be done from people to people of different regions and countries, so that there is a very good understanding between them at all levels. And this is the understanding which becomes the foundation for peace. In the same year, we instituted what we call as the Rotary Peace Awards. These are given for two types of purposes. One is for people who serve in conflict zones, and the other is for those who do outstanding humanitarian work. Till now, every year practically, we have given these peace awards. First one was to Dr. Vishwanath Karad for his outstanding work in education in the World Peace University. Then was Mr. Yogesh Mathuria, who is an international peace pilgrim. And Dr. Bharat Kelkar, he's an amazing doctor who braved all the difficulties and went to provide medical services in conflict zones of Syria, Yemen, and Mosul. Very great personality. Similarly, club level awards have been given from year to year by my own club, Shivaji Nagar Club. Apart from this, we have been holding Rotary Peace and Conflict Resolution workshops. Here is one which is being taken by Dr. Milind Pandey, our own Rotary Peace Fellow. Then we have also had what are called as the Rotary Peace Walks, where groups of Rotarians have walked through the city of Pune carrying placards of the peace of Rotary. Our district has also successfully sent Rotary Peace Fellows to undertake certificate or master's degree courses. Then came the lockdown. The lockdown which almost prevented any one of us from meeting each other, even today for that instance. But our Rotary spirit did not give up. We continued our peace efforts through the International Service and Peace webinars, inaugurated by PRID Brun Stiles, Chair of Rotary Peace Center. RID 3131, 3040, 3070, and 3292 attended. This led to several global grants. One of them was a very prominent Indo-Nepal global grant. Well, I was talking to you about track to diplomacy, if you remember. Under this track to diplomacy, we conducted enterprise education webinar series over 4 months during these lockdown periods, from July to October 2020. A series of lectures were taken by our Rotarians from the district as also from outside. And eventually, a business plan competition was held. Almost 400 Rotarians, Rotractors, teachers from India, Nepal, Bangladesh attended. And 23 teams out of these participated in the business plan competition. The whole thing became so successful that we were able to invite RI President Rotarian Shekhar Mehta ji to give the valedictory address and also to present the awards of that competition. What that led to was a wonderful connection between all these countries around us. And since then, we have been in very good touch and performing very good projects along with each other. Let me deviate a little by coming to a small verse which says, "Choga nahi manga tha, maine tujhse e mali. Jo de diya pehen ke bhatke hum gali gali. I had not asked for this garment, O Lord Divine. What you gave, I wear, roaming alley to alley, pristine, alley to alley, pristine." True to this, my Rotary visits to Rotarians in Nepal, USA, Canada, Singapore, Thailand, and Trinidad revealed to me that though we are embodied different, once we are Rotarians, our goals are convergent. Our goals are convergent in all the areas of the focus areas of Rotary, which leads to good fellowship, service, and peace. Especially peace, I would like to qualify that for Rotary purposes, we talk of what is called as positive peace. This positive peace is what we Rotarians try to achieve through service projects. Example, our global grant projects, webinars of enterprise education, and recently one of the clubs, RCP Downtown, is helping Nepal to organize camps for LN for artificial hands. So, my dear friends from across the globe, what do you think is the purpose of this 2-day seminar or 2-day conference? Well, according to me, the purpose of this International Peace Conference is that there is a hope that will serve to create Rotary gangplanks between all the districts that are participating, all the districts. And with that, we will be able to hopefully identify convergence of fellowship, service, and positive peace based on the examples which I have already given to you. And for this, we have got a wonderful lineup for you. RI President Shekhar Mehta ji is going to talk with us tomorrow. Then RI Director Dr. Mahesh Kotbagi ji is going to speak with us. Pankaj Shah ji is going to speak with us. And a wonderful lineup of speakers from UK, Canada, Australia, France, Finland, and what have you. All of them are going to enlighten us fantastically about Rotary and peace. So with this, wait a minute. I didn't expect this. Who's that? Yes? Oh, that's a peace dove. I was not expecting that. And you want to talk something? What do you want to tell us? Oh, he wants to give us a message. I'm surprised. What is the message, sir? Okay. I'll pass on that message to this international assemblage. Definitely. Thank you, Mr. Peace Dove. Thank you. So the Rotary Peace Dove, the Peace Dove has given us a wonderful message, which says the more we come together, the happier are we. The more we come together, the happier are we. And I'm hoping, my friends, that through this peace conference, we will all come together and be able to build a peaceful, happy society. Thank you very much for your time.